Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you if you have a Miele brand dryer and you're getting an error F3 on your dryer. So what is this error and can we get rid of it? So to start with, the error is a short circuit in the drying air temperature sensor that senses the temperature of the air. So there's not a single thing that can fix this definitely. So this is one of the issues that you're most likely going to have to call a technician. But before you do that, one thing that's always a good thing to do whenever you're having these electronics or sensor errors and stuff like that, before spending the money and time on a technician, is to try a hard reset on the machine. It might clear out the error. So to do that, we're just going to turn it off. And then we're going to disconnect it from the power completely, so from the wall, or turn it off at the circuit. And we're going to leave it disconnected from the power for a full minute before we turn it back on and see if that hasn't cleared out the error, if we can run a cycle without the error coming back. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.